afternoon, guys. I'm going to record a video for y'all here. And I'd like for you to tell me between this clock and this one, which one sounds better to you. I'm going to start with this one, which is an unidentified Revere. I don't know which one this is. So here we go. I hope you enjoy this one. Well, it's not very loud, so let me get in closer here and do a little adjusting where I can get at it better. There's that beautiful sounding clock. And of course the grandfather clock wants to get in on the action, which is fine. Now let me get to the famous Revere R913. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you would like to like and subscribe, I'd love it. Thank you much.